Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Okay, so let's begin. So first we can go straight into our settings and we can begin with the special function. Okay, in here we have the most interesting things such as floating windows, dynamic bar. Sorry, not dynamic bar, but the smart panel and the X-clone. So let's begin with the floating windows. In here you can enable them right in here, and also you can enable swipe up with 3 fingers. So now I'm gonna show you how the floating window works. Okay, so to enter them you can simply click on this button and now hold on the notepad. Oh no, sorry, not that, another way. Get into the notes and now hold this button. Okay, and now we are in the floating window, as you can see. So in my opinion it is pretty cool feature because you don't need to, switch between the apps and look for them. You can simply enter the notepad in the floating windows, and as you can see I can still type in it, and then I can do all the stuff on the phone. I don't need to switch between them. Okay, so if you want to, you can also adjust the size of it by pointing your finger on the edge of the screen. And now, as you can see, if you drag it, and now you have this green button, a green title full screen. If you release now, you get into the full screen. Okay, so that's how the floating window works. Also, we have this bar right here, which is again into the special function, which is the smart panel. Also, we can enable it right in here. Okay, so if you want to enter it, simply drag this thin gray bar, which is under my finger right now, and drag from the right to the left. Okay, also if you want, you can drag this panel and place it anywhere on the screen. Okay, so now it's on the left side, and now it's on the right side as previous. Okay, so in here you have other apps, but if you click on edit you can add more and delete those in the bar, so you can adjust anything you want. So let's say I don't want my Gmail to be right in here, I want the compass instead. So that's how you switch between those apps. Okay, so now simply click on done, and if you click on one of the apps, let it be the compass, it also opens in the floating window. So it's really comfortable and good for multitasking. Okay, now if you go to the settings, now the special function and the X-clone. So basically the X-clone provides you with the dual accounts for an app, can be signed in on your phone. So if you want, you can enable it. That, for example, the Facebook, as you can see in here, creating dual space. So you'll be able to be connected to two accounts at the same time. Oh, I don't want Instagram to be installed right now, so I'm gonna go back. And also I'm gonna show you the scratch mode using the AI. So I want to go to the notes just to show you. I'll create a new one, and here under my finger you can see the small picture icon with the AI. So let's click on it, and in here you can draw basically anything you want. So let's say it's like Samsung scratch to image, something like that. So let's say I'll try to draw a cat. It is cool option for men like me who just can draw. Okay, let's pretend that's a cat. And now we want to click on this blue button generate, and let's see what happens. Okay, and now as you can see from my ugly scratch, now we have a beautiful photo. So that's pretty nice glow up from this to that. So that's really cool feature for your productivity. You can use it anytime. Okay, and also now is the scratch mode, but as you can see also in here we have other options such as comics, pixel art, digital art and the cyberpunk. So let's click on comics and let's see how it will look like. Okay, so that's the comic cat from my ugly scratch. Now let's see the pixel art. Okay, now the digital art. I'm gonna show you all of the options. Oh, it contains the illegal content, I don't know why. But now let's click on cyberpunk. So I can show the digital art. And that's the cyberpunk version. Okay, so if you want, you can click on change. Oh, sorry, not the change. My bad. If you want to save, simply click on this button on the top right corner. And now, as you can see from my ugly scratch, we have this beautiful cat. Okay, also I'm gonna tell you that for your productivity, you can use the AI, which is provided for this phone. Also, the Infinix has its own, which is the Folex right in here. But if you are not interested in the Folex, you have also the classic Gemini. Okay, so I'm gonna show you an example on the Folex, which is unique for this phone. Gemini. Any other phone has a Gemini, but not the Folex. So let's open it. And if basically you can ask the AI anything you want instead of doing it for yourself. So let's say you're doing something important on your phone, you're searching in the internet and you have a thought that you need to check. So you don't need to do this manually on your own, on your browser. You can simply ask the AI to do it for yourself. So let's say you want to know what is the weather in Vienna because you're planning a trip, and on your browser you have you're on the hotel site and you want to book your room, but you want to check the weather. So you can simply ask the AI what's the weather. So you can type it manually in here using your keyboard, but if you want you can also use the voice command. So by clicking on this icon of the microphone. Okay, and also you don't need to open the Folex from your home screen. You can simply hold the power button for half second and the Folex will enable. So that's what I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna ask the question about the weather in Vienna as an example. What's the weather in Vienna? Okay, and now as you can see we have our answer. Vienna is cloudy today, the high is forecast as 14 degrees and the low as 6 degrees. Okay, so now we have our answer, we don't need to type this manually. Okay, so that's all in this video, thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.